Hey everyone, and welcome back to Oraanj Interior Design. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our expert design tips and home transformation ideas. Today we've got something special for you: how to make a small bathroom feel more spacious, practical design tips on color, layout, lighting, and materials. Now, I know that small bathrooms can feel a bit cramped and often leave us wondering how to maximize that limited space without sacrificing style. But don't worry, we've got you covered. With the right approach, you can turn that tiny, seemingly impractical bathroom into a functional and beautiful space that feels a whole lot bigger. From clever layout tricks to the best bathroom color schemes, we'll guide you through some easy-to-apply ideas that will open up your small bathroom and make it feel airy and expansive. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about color. When it comes to small bathroom design, color can make a huge difference. You might be tempted to choose darker tones for a moody vibe, but darker colors can actually make a space feel smaller and more enclosed. So let's go for the opposite: light colors. Light shades such as soft whites, light greys, pastels, or even pale blues can help reflect more light around the room, instantly creating the illusion of more space. These colors also provide a clean, fresh look that's ideal for a bathroom. But what about bathroom color schemes? Well, while neutrals and light tones work wonders for making a bathroom feel bigger, you don't have to completely forgo deeper shades. You can still use accent colors in smaller doses, like on an accent wall or through accessories. Think about using navy blue or charcoal in your towels, mats, or shower curtain to add a bit of personality without overwhelming the space. The trick is balance. Keep the overall scheme light and airy, and use darker colors to create depth and contrast. Now, moving on to layout. This is another area where a few small changes can go a long way in transforming your small bathroom into something far more spacious. One thing to think about when planning a bathroom layout is furniture placement. If your sink, shower, and toilet are all crammed into one corner of the room, it can make the space feel cluttered and cramped. To avoid this, think about optimizing your layout. Consider a floating vanity or a wall-mounted sink. These kinds of fixtures are great for small spaces because they give the illusion of more floor space, creating a more open feel. You can even tuck away some of your storage under the floating vanity, keeping everything sleek and tidy. Another option is to go for a corner sink or a compact toilet. Both of these space-saving solutions can give you that extra bit of room you need for walking space, or even room for storage. Speaking of storage, vertical space is your best friend in a small bathroom. Use shelves, tall cabinets, or wall-mounted storage units to keep things off the floor and organized. Now, let's talk lighting, because lighting is absolutely key in making a small space feel bigger. If your bathroom feels dark and closed off, one of the best things you can do is install better lighting. Try to avoid harsh, overhead lights that can create shadows and make the space feel smaller. Instead, go for softer, layered lighting. Think about using wall sconces or lighted mirrors, which can provide more even, flattering light without overwhelming the room. And don't forget about natural light. If your bathroom has a window, be sure to maximize that. Use sheer curtains or blinds that allow light to pour in while still maintaining privacy. If you're working with no windows, you can use bright LED lights or install a skylight if possible. Strategic lighting can open up a space and give the illusion of airiness, so this is a small change with a big impact. Next, let's talk about materials. The right materials can work wonders in a small bathroom. First off, when it comes to wall tiles, larger tiles tend to make a space feel less cluttered. Choose tiles that are big, smooth, and light in color. Glossy finishes, like glossy white subway tiles, can help reflect light and make the space feel more open. And if you want to make your bathroom look even bigger, consider vertical tiles. Installing tiles vertically on the walls can create the illusion of height, making your space feel taller and more expansive. When it comes to floors, go for light-colored flooring as well. Light wood, white or neutral stone tiles, or pale vinyl flooring are all great choices for making a small bathroom feel bigger. Avoid dark or busy patterns, as they can make the floor feel heavy and take up visual space. Instead, opt for a simple, continuous design to give the impression of more room. Another material to consider is mirrors, and I can't stress this enough. Mirrors are one of the most effective ways to make a small bathroom feel bigger. They reflect light, create depth, and make your space appear more expansive. So, don't be afraid to go big with your mirrors. A large mirror above the sink or on one of the main walls can instantly open up the space. You could even try mirrored furniture or decor elements that reflect light and give the room a larger, brighter feel. And here's a little trick. If you want to add a sense of luxury to your small bathroom, you could incorporate glass shower screens or a glass shower door. These clear materials allow light to pass through and prevent the space from feeling boxed in. Plus, they give the bathroom a sleek, modern aesthetic. Let's bring all of this together with some real-life case studies so you can see how these practical tips work in action. In this first example, we've got a small bathroom that's been transformed with light, airy colours and smart furniture choices. The walls are painted a soft pastel blue, creating a calming, spacious atmosphere. The floating vanity frees up floor space, and the simple, sleek design of the bathroom fixtures allows for an open feel. There's also a large, frameless mirror above the sink, bouncing light around the room and adding depth. In another example, this bathroom uses vertical tiles on the walls, creating the illusion of height. The neutral colour scheme of whites and greys makes the space feel open and airy, while a glass shower screen opens up the shower area and adds a modern touch. So what can we learn from these examples? The key takeaway is that with the right use of colour, layout, lighting, and materials, you can make even the smallest bathroom feel spacious, functional, and stylish. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a few final practical tips for your bathroom renovation. Keep your colour scheme light and fresh to create a sense of openness. Consider space-saving furniture, like floating vanities and corner sinks, to maximise floor space. Use lighting strategically. Combine natural light with softer, layered lighting for a bright, airy atmosphere. Choose light-coloured, large tiles for the walls and floors to make the room feel more expansive. Don't forget the power of mirrors. Use them to reflect light and create depth in your bathroom. And that's it! With these simple yet effective design tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a small bathroom that feels as spacious as it is stylish. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below with your own bathroom design ideas, and of course, subscribe to Oraanj Interior Design for more amazing tips and tricks. We'd love to hear how you're planning to transform your bathroom space, so leave your thoughts and questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy renovating!